Hi guys, this video is about how to repair the walls in the room, specifically how to fix places where there are previously made holes, or how to repair places where the wallpaper came off. First, I paint all the problem areas with a primer. After the primer dries, I glue the wallpaper. And I seal the holes with putty. Without waiting for the putty to dry, I take off the masking tape and work the excess putty with a damp cloth. Before the primer of all the walls, I protect the ceiling with masking tape. Now I put a primer on all the walls in the room. Now I dilute the paint to the consistency I need. Now I paint the walls with the first layer paint. Two hours have passed, the paint has dried, and you can see that there are places with lack of color. Well, it's okay. With a second layer of paint, we will fix it. Now I remove the masking tape from the ceiling and from everything that was previously glued. Friends, check out how everything turned out beautifully at the end. Guys, if my video was useful to you, put like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye guys.